Hello students, welcome back. This is the part 2 of third light survey. Due to time bonding, I have divided the lectures into two parts. First lecture into two parts, part 1 and part 2. So in part 2, we will learn about the fundamental lines. In previous part, we have learned about the components of third light, their uses and the uses of third light. So we'll start with fundamental lines. There are five fundamental lines. Fundamental means basic lines. So first is vertical axis. You can see here, this is the vertical axis which passes through the center of the spindle and it coincides with the center point on which the third light is fitted. Second is axis of plate level. It is the plate level on which a lever tube is fitted. So the axis which is tangential to the plate level bubble is known as axis of plate level. Then line of collimation, you can see here this line of sight is line of collimation passing through the center of eyepiece, center of telescope, center of object glass and its continuation. This is known as line of sight. Then horizontal axis, यहाँ पर आप लोग देख सकते हैं, this is the horizontal axis which is also known as transverse axis. Then bubble line of the altitude level top पर रहेगा. Altitude level bubble is used when you are measuring the vertical angles. So the line which is tangential to the altitude bubble is known as bubble line of the altitude level. So this is the figure which shows the different fundamental lines. Here vertical axis, horizontal axis, line of sight, एक्सिस ऑफ लेवल ट्यूब. यहाँ पर जो लेवल ट्यूब है इसका जो बबल रहेगा दिस लाइन विल बी टेंजेंशियल टू दिस बबल and axis of plate level again this axis is tangential to the plate level bubble. So these are the five axes. कौन कौन से फाइव एक्सिस हैं फंडामेंटल लाइंस हैं? Yes, first is vertical axis, second horizontal axis, third line of sight, that is line of collimation, then axis of level tube, and at last plate level axis. So you may note down these fundamental lines. So there is some relationship you can see here. This vertical axis is perpendicular to horizontal axis is perpendicular to line of sight is parallel to axis of level tube. Again, these two axes of level tubes are parallel. Line of sight is also parallel to plate level axis. And remember that whenever it is desired to get the line of sight horizontal, the two verniers of vertical circle should show the zero readings. So this is all about the fundamental line. So in this slide, we are going to learn the relationship. What is the relationship between fundamental lines? फंडामेंटल लाइंस के बीच में डिजायर्ड रिलेशनशिप क्या है वो देखेंगे. So पहला है जैसा कि हमने पिछले स्लाइड में पढ़े हैं the axis of plate levels must be perpendicular to the vertical axis. plate level का जो axis रहता है that axis must be perpendicular to vertical axis. उसके बाद में नेक्स्ट है the line of collimation must be at right angles to the horizontal axis. line of collimation किसको बोलेंगे? line of sight को. line of sight should be at right angles to the horizontal axis, that is transverse axis. Then horizontal axis must be perpendicular to the vertical axis. दोनों के बीच का एंगल कितना रहना चाहिए? 90 डिग्री. Then the axis of the telescope level or the altitude level must be parallel to the line of collimation. And the last one is that the vertical circle पर दो वर्नियर रहते हैं, वर्नियर C and वर्नियर D. The two verniers must read zero when the line of collimation is horizontal. So these are the desired relationship. जब तक ये desired relationship fulfill नहीं होगी तब तक आप लोग थर्ड लाइट को यूज नहीं कर सकते. अगर आप यूज करेंगे तो जो रीडिंग्स आपको मिलेंगे थर्ड लाइट से वो रॉन्ग रीडिंग्स रहेंगे. सो व्हाट आर द डिजायर्ड रिलेशनशिप्स? आप ये नोटबुक में नोट कर लीजिए. हु विल आंसर? Yes, the desired relationships are the axis of plate level must be perpendicular to the vertical axis. The line of collimation. Line of collimation means line of sight must be at right angles to the horizontal axis. The horizontal axis must be perpendicular to the vertical axis. The axis of the telescope level or the altitude level must be parallel to the line of collimation. Then at last, the vertical circle vernier C and D must read 0 when the line of collimation is horizontal. So this is about the part 2. So in part 1 and part 2 we have discussed uses of third light, parts of third light, functions of the parts of third light, fundamental lines, relationship between fundamental lines. So as usual I am having quiz. So this is first question, which of the following is a fundamental line? I know you are knowing the answer very well, but still I am giving you options. Alignment, B ranging line, C vertical axis, D none of the above. Who will answer? Yes, correct answer है vertical axis. Second quiz question. Horizontal axis is also called high axis, transverse axis, telescope axis, none of the above. Correct answer है transverse axis. Third quiz question is theodolite is used to measure horizontal angles, measure vertical angles, to prolong a straight line, all the above. हमने पार्ट फर्स्ट में पढ़े हैं theodolite is combination of dumpy level, prismatic compass and clinometer. तो जो यूजेस हैं प्रिज्मेटिक कंपास के, क्लाइनोमीटर के, डम्पी लेवल के, वो सारे यूजेस रहेंगे थ्योडलाइट के, और कुछ एडवांस यूजेस भी है। तो ये क्वेश्चंस में, इस क्वेश्चन में आप लोग देख सकते हैं the use number 1 measure horizontal angle, use number 2 vertical angle, use number 3 to prolong a straight line. These all are the uses of theodolite. इसलिए करेक्ट आंसर क्या रहेगा? Yes, the answer is all the above. So this is about the quiz, and these are the frequently asked questions in the examination. You may note it down in your notebook. So these are the questions on part 1 and part 2. For next session on theodolite, we will meet tomorrow. Thank you.